channel Knowledge of. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your quantitative aptitude class, and that has been the classes 86th class of the session. And in the last classes we had done your 85 classes. That has been of course important one, and on the same cases we talk about it. So yes, we had started with arithmetical ability. In arithmetical ability we had done many of the ninth topic that has been important for you all, and this has been the percentage, has been the 10th topic we started with. So in arithmetical ability we had done operations on numbers, LCM and SCF of numbers, decimal fractions, simplification, averages, surds and indices, problems on numbers, problems on ages, surds and percentage that we are dealing here. In percentage, even though we had done your 234 questions of the sessions in the last classes, so today what we have to go ahead is of course we'll have to start with 235 question of the sessions here, which has been important one. Before starting with this, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe my channel so that maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. So we go ahead for the first question. The question we have here is the quantity of ghee 60% is pure ghee and 40% is vanaspati. If 10 kg of pure ghee is added, then the strength of vanaspati ghee becomes 20%. The original quantity was, that has been asked in a hotel management question before, and of course that is the important one. So we go ahead for the same. The options we have here: 10 kg, 15 kg, 20 kg, 25 kg. So we go ahead. If 10 kg of pure ghee is added, then the strength of vanaspati ghee becomes 20%. This is being asked in hotel management. We go ahead for the same. So let the original quantity be x kg. Vanaspati ghee in x kg equals to 40 upon 100. X kg is equals to 2x upon 5 kg. Now x equals to 10. Now we go ahead for the next question, which is the 236th question of the sessions as well. Question is, the weight of the container alone is 25% 50% of the container filled with a certain fluid. When some fluid is removed, the weight of the container and the remaining fluid is 50% of the original total weight. What fractional part of the liquid has been removed? Options is 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4, and that has been asked in DMRC examination paper. We go ahead for the same. With a certain fluid, when some fluid is removed, the weight of the container and remaining fluid is 50% of the original weight. If the original total weight, what fractional part of the liquid has been removed? This is being asked in DMRC. So we find it out the solution here as well. Let the original total weight be x. Weight of the container equals to 25 per 100 x equals to x upon 4. 25 and 4 is 100 for that. Original weight of fluid equals to x minus x upon 4 equals to 3x upon 4. Now new weight of container plus fluid equals to 50 upon 100x. 51 is a 50, 52 is a 100, so x by 2. New weight of fluid equals to x by 2 minus x by 4 equals to x by 4. So required fraction equals to 3x upon 4 minus x upon 4 whole upon 3x upon 4 equals to x by 2 into 4 on 3x. 2 1 the 2 2 2s are 4. X being x simplify. So 2 by 3 will be the right answer for this particular question as well. We'll go ahead for the next question, and of course that has been important one on the same behalf of it. That has been 237th question of the sessions here. So we go ahead for the same. The question is, from a container having pure milk, 20% is replaced by water and the process is repeated thrice. At the end of the third operation, the milk is. That has been asked in SSC examination paper. The options we have 40% pure, 50% pure, 51.2% pure and 58.8% pure. From a container having pure milk, 20% is replaced by water and the process is repeated thrice. At the end of the third operation, the milk is. This has been asked in SSC examination paper. Options as I told you. We go ahead for the same. Let total quantity of original milk equals to 1000 gram. Milk after first operation equals to 80% of 1000, which is equals to 800 gram. Milk after second operation (80% of 800), which is equals to 640 gram. Milk after third operation equals to 80% of 640, which is equals to 512 gram. So strength of final mixture equals to 51.2 gram that we have. Now we go ahead for the next question, that what we have to talk about it, and of course that has been the important one when we have gone through it. So that has been the 238 question of the sessions here. Go ahead for the same. We'll go ahead with a 238 question of the session. The question is, an empty fuel tank of a car was filled with A-type petrol. When the tank was half empty, it was filled with B-type petrol. And again, when the tank was half empty, it was filled with A-type petrol. When the tank was half empty again, it was filled with B-type petrol. What is the percentage of A-type petrol at present in the tank? Options we have 33.5%, 37.5%, 40% and 50%. It has been asked in bank PO question paper. So yes, for the same we go ahead here. An empty fuel tank of a car was filled with A-type petrol when the tank was half empty. It was filled with B-type petrol. Again, when the tank was half empty, it was filled with A-type petrol. What A-type petrol? When the tank was half empty again. When the tank was half empty again, it was filled with B-type petrol. What is the percentage of? What is the percentage of A-type petrol at present in the tank? This has been asked in bank PO question paper, which is really important, of course. So we go ahead for the solution here. So let the capacity of the tank be 100 liter. Of the tank be 100 liters. Then initially A-type petrol is equals to 100 liter. After first operation, A-type petrol equals to 100 upon 2, which is equals to 50 liters. B-type petrol equals to 50 liters. After second operation, so after second operation, A-type petrol equals to 50 upon 2 plus 50, and of course that is been equals to 75 liters. B-type petrol equals to 50 upon 2, 25 liters. Now after third operation, A-type petrol equals to 75.2 equals to 37.5 liters. B-type petrol equals to 25.2 plus 50, which is equals to 62.5 liters. So required percentage 37.5%. That we have as an answer. We go ahead for the next question, and hopefully that will be the last or second last question, of course. So we go ahead for the same. That has been your 239th question of the session. So the question is, a bag contains 600 coins of 25 paisa denominations and a 1200 coins of 50 paisa denominations. If 12% of 25 paisa coins and 24% of 50 paisa coins are removed, The percentage of the money removed from the bag is nearly. Options we have 15.6, 17.8, 21.6 and 30%. So we go ahead for the same here. So a bag contains 600 coins of 25 paise denomination and 1200 coins of 50 paise denomination. If 12% of 25 paise coins and 24% of 50 paise coins are removed, the percentage of money removed from the bag is nearly. So we talk about it. So here we find out the solution for the same. So total money equals to rupees 600 into 25 upon 100 plus 1200 into 50 upon 100. Next we go for 25 paisa coins removed. 12 upon 100 into 600 equals to 72. 50 paise coins removed. 24 upon 100 into 1200 equals to 288. Money removed. Equals to rupees 72 into 25 upon 100 plus 288 into 50 upon 100, which is equals to rupees 162. So required percentage equals to 162 upon 100, 162 upon 750 to 100 percent equals to 21.6% here. So now we go ahead with another question, which has been important one, but here we ended up because when we go ahead it will take time to complete, of course. So here we're gonna end up with, and we'll continue with the next coming class for sure, where we have to cover up from 240th question of the session as well. Okay, so that's what we'll have to cover up. So 240th question we have to cover up in the next coming class. And before ending it up, it's a huge request to all the viewers to go ahead with like, share and subscribe to our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even you can also enjoy the video as well. Other than quantitative aptitude, we had done your sociology and software engineering, and then we had done your many of the questions, like we had done your chemistry. In that we had done your unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, unit 6, unit 7, unit 8, unit 9. With the we had done your conversions, logarithms, anti-logs. We had done elements with decimals, atomic mass and molar masses, of course. We had understanding the human being comprehensively, the human aspiration and its fulfillment. We had our ER diagram. We are dealing with CBNST as well, and we are dealing with English vocabulary, of course, which is really important for the you all. In terms of reasoning, in reasoning we had done verbal reasoning, in that we had done general mental ability in the logic reasoning. In non-verbal reasoning we had done series and logic classification, analytical reasoning, mirror image, water image, embedded figure, completions of incomplete pattern, figure matrix, paper folding, paper cutting, rule detection, grouping of analytical figures, cubes and dice, dot situation, figure formation analysis, and a practice question set. That what we have to cover up. In terms of quantitative aptitude, where we have been divided into two, which has been arithmetical ability and your data interpretation. In arithmetical ability, we had done operations on numbers, SCF and LCM of number, decimal fractions, simplifications, square roots and cube roots, averages, problems on numbers, problems on ages, hertz and indices, percentage. That would be the 10th topic we are dealing here. 11th topic we have to cover up the profits and loss, ratio, proportion, partnership, share both time and work, pipe and system, time and distance, problems on train boards and streams, allegations of mixture, simple interest, compound interest, logarithm, area, volume and surface area, races and games of skills, calendar, clocks and stocks ratios, permutation and combination, probability to discount, bankers discount, height and distance on an out series. And in data interpretation, we have to cover up the tabulations, bar graphs, pie charts, and line graph. So after completing that, we will be surely start with the bank PO question papers and the important question that has been asked for the same. So here we're gonna end up with, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and whether you can also enjoy the video as well. Thank you, hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and keep supported us as you had supported till the date. Thanks for all of you, all the viewers and all the subscribers as well. It's a huge request from my side, so please go ahead with like, share and subscribe. Thank you, hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion in the comment.